Welcome to the Speak Up channel. In today's episode, we'll delve into brief conversations designed to enhance your English language skills. The key to improvement lies in immersing yourself in the language through exposure to native speakers. We're eager to know how much you can understand. We're eager to boost your comprehension abilities. So, let's dive into these conversations together and take a step closer to fluency in English. And of course, let's speak like a native.
Making a drink.
Hello, Steve. How nice to see you. Come in.
Hello, Fern.
You look awfully hot.
Oh, I am.
Would you like a drink?
Oh, I'd love a drink. What have you got?
Well, anything you like. You tell me.
What I'd really like is a banana eggnog.
A banana eggnog? What on earth's that?
It's just like a milkshake.
OK, you tell me what to do and I'll try and make it for you.
All you need is a banana, some milk, an egg and some sugar.
I've got all of those.
Have you got a blender?
Yeah, I've got a blender too.
That's fine then.
OK, what do I do first?
Now you chop the banana into the blender.
There you are.
Add in half a pint of milk.
Half a pint. OK.
That's about it. Now crack the egg into that.
Yeah, that looks all right. Funny, actually.
And then you just put in 2 small spoons of sugar.
1, 2.
There you are. Just whip that up.
Right. Got a nice head on it.
That
I'll
looks
pour it
good.
out for you. How about that?
That tastes smashing.
Choosing from a menu.
Bonjour, monsieur. Que désirez-vous?
Buenos días, yo no entiendo francés.
Bonjour, monsieur. Que désirez-vous?
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
I don't understand the menu. What would you recommend?
Oh, I see. I suggest that you should have today's special.
And what's that?
It's chicken with red wine, mushroom, onion, and garlic.
Is chicken with wine?
Yes, red wine, mushroom, onion, and garlic. It's very good.
It sounds delicious.
Yes, very nice, very.
What could you recommend to drink?
Le Beaujolais is a red one, the house one is very good. For this kind of menu, very good.
I see. I'll try.
Thanks very much, sir.
Thank you.
Finding a garage.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Do you know where I can find the garage, please?
You want a garage?
Yes, please.
I think there's one you'll find a garage just up the road. Do you want petrol?
No, there is something wrong with my brakes.
Oh, got something wrong with the brakes. Well, you really need a specialist garage. What kind of car is this?
Alfa Romeo.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
But I don't think you'll find an Alfa Romeo garage anywhere near here.
Oh. Do you know where Lime Street is?
Lime Street? Oh, yes, you want to be the other side of the railway.
Yes, I think so.
Do you know how to get there?
No.
Well, you need to turn round here and go back to the traffic lights
Yes.
and then go right at the traffic lights and you go down that road until you come to a level crossing.
What's that?
A level crossing?
Yes.
Oh, you don't understand a level crossing?
No.
It's where the road goes over the railway.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Just across the level crossing, there's a right turning. Now that's Lime Street.
Yes.
And you go down that street, and there's some garages down there on the left. I think it's that one.
Oh.
Are you sure you've got that?
No, I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Just after the level crossing,
Yes,
you told me...
You go back towards the lights from here.
Yes.
And you turn right at the traffic lights. Then you go down that road until you come to the level crossing.
Ah, okay.
Go over the level crossing.
Over, yeah.
Take the first right after the level crossing, and that's Lime Street. And the garage, I think it's the Alfa Romeo garage, is down there on the left.
On the left. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay,
Indeed. Bye-bye.
take it easy with those brakes.
Making inquiries in a department store.
Excuse me, I wonder if you could tell me where I could get tickets for Sunday's concert at the Forum.
Yes, certainly, sir. It's upstairs on the 4th floor, and you go straight through the toy department. Very easy to
Yeah.
find. You'll find the counter just there. They sell tickets for all the musical events in the city.
Fine, so I go upstairs to the 4th floor, through the toy department, and I'll get the tickets there.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, thanks very much indeed.
Hello, can I help you, madam?
Excuse me, I've got a hairdryer and radio, which I brought with me from Japan, but they don't work properly in England. Could you tell me where I can get something to make them work? please?
Something to make them work?
Yes.
I don't understand. Do you mean they've broken?
They are not broken, and I think it's just for a different electrical system.
Oh, you need a transformer. Yes. Why don't you try the electrical department? Where they sell plugs and batteries and things like that. It's very easy to find. It's downstairs in the basement. You go along here to the escalator and straight down, okay?
Thank you very much indeed.
Pleasure.
Could you tell me where the postcards are, please?
Yes, certainly, sir. They're on this floor, the stationery department.
Stationery department. Now, where exactly is that? Because I've been walking around here. I can't see anything anywhere.
Look, they're very easy to find. It's just down there where they sell calendars, wrapping paper, ribbons and so on.
Calendars?
It's on the end of the counter.
On the end of the counter?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you very much.
We hope you have enjoyed our program. Subscribe for more helpful content and come to learn English with us.